just had to try baking our lime cheesecake in a Bundt pan. Hey, Coconutta. I was expecting Chessie Cheesecake today. She's off looking for another spaceship in the back of your pantry. Bungledorf crashed hers on that asteroid the other day. You never know what's back there. While it's pulverizing, add in the melted butter. We forgot the brown sugar. Sugar helps bind the crust. Can't forget the brown sugar, man. Jill always do this. Always Looney here. We just used our fingers to mold it around the bottom. Just a little finesse to leave the rim clean for decorative purposes. We wanted to be super fancy for this cheesecake. And bake for 12 to 15 minutes until it gets a nice golden brown. Then turn down the oven to 310 and place a roasting pan of hot water in it. And we'll prove that logic always beats luck and Looney flair. Team Borkus Dorcas will decode this before your glitter dries. Science never sleeps, but it does sparkle under pressure. Calculators ready! Let's roll, Dorcas! This is the fastest and safest way to get your cream cheese and eggs to room temperature. As warm as your dishwater. They'll get to room temperature by the time you gather your ingredients to start, and bacteria will have no chance. Add your sugar and beat on low until it's nice and smooth. Scrape the bowl and add the zest first, then squeeze out the juice. This will take 4 to 5 limes to get to half a cup. Yep, I'm quitting tomorrow. Honey, this map's more twisted than a taffy pull at a tornado festival. Wait, if we tilt it 45 sparkles to the left and add a pinch of stardust, well, butter my biscuit. It's a baking mat. It doesn't really matter what order you add the rest of your ingredients, as long as you don't forget them. When it comes to the eggs, though, beat them in one at a time. Look at that little guy dance around the bowl there. We scrape the bowl after each one, too. And don't forget the juice. We're such airheads some days. No, that swirl there, that sugar spiral. Flo mentioned it's the storm that guards the candy core. Then sugar will skate straight into sweetness and chaos combined. Okay, so I fed the map through the quantum fudge filter and it started giggling. That's either good or catastrophic. Clean off where you're gonna be fancy and spray again. And fill that puppy right up to the rim. Make sure the water comes up at least halfway and bake for 2 hours. Crack the door for an hour and then cool it on the counter for an hour longer. Then chill it overnight in the fridge. Probably both. Does it translate? Let me see. Caution, sweet anomalies detected. Oh, it's thinking. Wait, it's showing a spiral pattern. That's it! The candy core! We're tracking sugar currents now. We made the lime curd to chill overnight so we could pipe it on. We're going for super fancy here. Put everything but your eggs in the top of a double boiler. A double boiler or a bain-marie is the gentle way to cook things. Melt them together and temper it into your eggs while whisking constantly. Slowly pour it in. Pour it. According to my readings, every time someone cracks a lame joke, the mat scrambles. Then we better stay serious. No goofing, no... Oh! Fudge buckets! It re-scrambled again! Then we follow the fudge flux. Come, sister, logic meets lunacy again. Back into the pan and bring this up to 160 degrees. Mush it through a fine mesh sieve to catch any scrambled eggs we might have made. Yep, I see a few whites in there. 1 drop of forest green food gel helps it look more like lime flavor. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it chill out with the cheesecake. Fudge bucket! This heap's compass is spinning like a blender. There's no room in here. It's like being a canned pickle. Maybe the plant is just dizzy from our good looks. Now to get it out of the Bundt pan. Dip it in hot tap water for 3 minutes to help melt the butter some. Shake it a bit to help it more. You'll feel the thump when it does. And voila! Clean as a whistle, too.
Viva Mexico,
Now
sí,
start
señor.
piping and go fancy. Viva! Viva la viva al Mexico! Viva la viva al Máximo! Viva la viva, vive tu mejor vida! There's the sugar spiral. Oh, finally a clue! Come on, nosy McDrama! Punch it!